Hi, this is Natasha Lara Lewis of Esther's Place, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable holiday angel. It's a great activity to do with your little kids 3 to 5 years old, and it makes a wonderful ornament or a gift. So come join me as we gather some of our supplies. We're going to need a bit of wool. This is about 12 inches worth of wool. We need a bit of yarn, some nice yarn. We're going to use a little bit of very soft white wool for the wings. We're going to use a little bit of bamboo. We've got packets of different colors of bamboo. This is so soft and shimmery, and it's a great sensory experience to be able to feel the different fibers. And a little bit of sparkle, which we also have some little packets for. So we're going to start out by making a knot in the middle of our wool. Go ahead and make a knot. Tighten it up, and this is going to become the head. We're then going to take and fold it over and pull a little bit from each side here. Tuck it underneath your fingers and hold it tight. Then we're going to take a little bit of wool and we're going to wrap it around. Shape the head a little bit. There we go. Next, we're going to need to make our wings. So set your head aside. We're going to take some of that soft wool. What color should I do? I think I'm going to do a little bit of pink and pull off a little bit of this beautiful bamboo fiber, and then we're going to pull off a little bit of sparkle. This sparkly fiber is called Angelina, and it is just a beautiful addition for our wings. Then we're going to take the ends, hold it on the tippy ends here, and pull it apart and stack it together. Pull it apart and stack it together. Pull it apart, stack it together. Pull it apart, stack it together. You can do this as many times as you like. It's going to blend the colors together to make our wings. Beautiful. Then smooth it out on either side, and our wings are ready to go. Take and open up your angel. Put your wings inside. And close up the angel. There we go. Now pinch it on her waist and wrap it again nice and tight. There we are. Now we're going to fluff out her dress a little and get ready to tie the yarn around for a sash. Find the middle of your yarn and fold an X over the front of the body. Then go around to the back and make an X in the back, around to the front, and of course you can do this however you'd like. I'm going to wrap it one more time around because I've got a little bit too much. There we go. And then we're going to tie a bow in the front. You could use a different color for this if you'd like. You could even add some hair. It's up to you. So there we go. We have a little friend for our angel. And what a simple, fun project to do for your holiday season. I hope you enjoyed making that little angel with us. Stay tuned. Check out our website for all kinds of other fun ideas and projects to make your season bright. Bye!